Welcome to Sleepy Time Stories. Let's snuggle in, close our eyes, and go on a gentle little adventure together. Tonight's story is called Luna the Lamb and the Tidy Shoes. In a quiet corner of Clover Hill, little Luna the Lamb was brushing her soft wool and humming a quiet tune. She had just finished her evening stretch when she noticed something odd. One boot was by the bookshelf. A slipper was under the bed, and her favorite red rain boot stuck behind a pillow. Luna tilted her head and softly sighed. "Oh dear, my shoes are everywhere." She loved when things were neat and just right. So she fluffed her wool, wiggled her ears, and made a plan. "I'll tidy my shoes, one pair at a time." First, she picked up her rain boots and placed them by the door. "Splash boots go here, ready for puddle days." Then came her tiny ballet slippers, the ones she wore when twirling under the stars. She set them neatly on a cloud-shaped mat. "For dancing dreams," she whispered. She even dusted off her woolly winter boots and lined them up just so, left, then right, toes pointing forward. As she placed the very last shoe, a tiny silver sandal, next to its partner, Luna felt a cozy flutter in her heart. Everything is in its place. She climbed into her soft bed, her wool freshly fluffed, and her room quiet and peaceful. Moonlight danced on the clean floor, and not a single shoe was out of line. Luna yawned, closed her eyes, and whispered to herself, "Tidy shoes, tidy thoughts. Good night." Thank you for listening to Sleep